I want to help you to understand how strumming patterns are created. But first up, I'm going to show you how I hold the ukulele. I use a strap. I use this part of my elbow in here to hold the ukulele. I'm not using any hands, and it feels strong and firm on my body. I strum down with the pad of my thumb or the pad of my index finger. I can also use the fingernail of my thumb and the fingernail of my index finger. We'll take the pad, go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to give me a nice soft sound. If I want a louder sound, I can use my index fingernail. I can come up with the pad of my index fingernail, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or I can also use my thumb by going down with the index fingernail and up with the thumb fingernail, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Just play around with what works for you. And also an important thing is not overusing your arms. Keep it a wrist movement, not a whole arm movement. I'm going to talk about rhythm next. And what's so important about rhythm is feeling it in your body, establishing a beat. So bars in music are usually in 4/4 time. That means 4 beats to the bar. There are other time measures, 3 beats to the bar or 2 beats to the bar. Today I'm going to talk about 4 beats to the bar, which is common time. Most songs are in common time. I'm standing up. I like to stand up when I play. I am feeling that rhythm, pressing my heel down on the floor, and that gives me a vibration through my body. And then I can alternate 1, 2, 3, 4, and I want to feel that rhythm. Now, if you can't keep time like that, Google Metrome. You don't have to download an app. What comes up in Google is a metronome. It defaults to 100 beats per minute. And you just do minus or plus. You hit the play button, quarter beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. My foot is still going while I'm strumming. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we're going to add the 8th beats. 8th beats add an and in between the numbers. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's 8th beats. Go down on the numbers and up on the ands. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Still tapping the beat with my foot, and I'm still speaking it out loud. And then the next division we have our 16th, 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4E and a. So let's go from the quarter beats to the 8th beats to the 16th beats. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2. Just a bar of that, and then 1 and 2. Let's do 2 of the 16ths. 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4E. 2 of those. 2E and a 3 and a 4E and a 1, 2, 3, 4. 8th. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1E and a 2E and a 3 and a 4E and a. And that's what we're going to need to create strumming patterns. And it's all a matter of leaving out beats. We're going to do 8th beats, and we're going to leave out ands after the first 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. It'll sound like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We may not strike the string. We're still moving our hand up and down to maintain the steady beat and keep the rhythm going. So you don't want to think about strums as a series of downs and ups. There's no relation to the beat then. You've got nothing to tether to. When you are doing a strum like the island strum, down, down, up, down, up, how that's created is you take out the and after the first 1 and beat 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Let's do beats 1 and 2 as quarter beats, 1 and 2 and then on the 3 and the 4, we're going to do 16th beats. And so we count 16th beats out, 3E and a 4E and a. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. To be in time is crucial. There's no use in learning great licks up and down your ukulele if you are not playing it in time, because people get irritated by that. So start small, spend time getting in time. Create your own rhythmic style. Don't just play the island strum every time. Experiment. It's not as much about being right and wrong. It's about what rhythms you want to create in a particular song. Let me know in the comments if that helps. If you want to follow me over on Facebook, it's Gabrielle Johnson Music. I have a subscriber group. I hope you're having a great day. Keep up the work. I'm going to say goodbye. Bye-bye.